Wednesday.
But
But it's
Ibrahim,
Thursday.
20th is Thursday. Check the calendar first.
Good morning.
Good
No,
morning,
ma'am, he
everyone.
meant to say that Wednesday is not your
Good
class,
morning,
so
ma'am.
when will we do revision? Because there are 9 chapters.
So what? We've already done the revision. We've already done the CT. I don't think
Yes, ma'am.
any of the
Ma'am,
subjects you would have had one chapter CT. Have you had?
ma'am,
Like grammar, we had all the chapters separate CT, so that all the concepts are clear to you all, right? We had past tense, future
ma'am,
tense, present tense, separate CT. Yes, Vihan.
ma'am, we have to write that letter which that was sent that due
Which letter?
the area near your school is dirty due to garbage one.
Where did you see this letter?
Ma'am, EVS ma'am has Deepika ma'am has posted in the classroom assignment.
Yeah. So have you not written?
No, ma'am,
No,
I was having a doubt that we have to write it or not. We have to write the same letter.
Same letter means.
Ma'am,
ma'am.
is in that assignment, ma'am has sent a PDF and there is a mail. There is also a letter written.
Okay. Where has she sent this? Let me check. Where is
Classroom.
under
Ma'am.
which under which heading? Wait.
EVS lesson 8 letter.
EVS. EVS.
Ma'am, Deepika ma'am
EVS
hasn't told
lesson
to write
8.
the same letter. That's just for a brief. It is.
EVS lesson 7. EVS lesson 8. Study material. I can see. Where is the letter? I can't see the letter.
I want to tell one thing.
It is a assignment.
EVS lesson 8. Yeah, yeah.
Ma'am, don't
Got it.
pin on
Got it.
EVS material, pin on EVS.
Wait. Okay.
Ma'am, the Deepika ma'am has sent a letter because Deepika ma'am has not tell us to whom you have to send this letter. So the letter that Deepika ma'am has sent, it's there. So it's for reference. Deepika ma'am said.
okay. Now listen to me. She sent a letter to you which says the local municipality is responsible for keeping the area around the school clean. So let us
मैम
write
मैं वॉशरूम जा मैं
the
बाहर
letter.
बोले
Please switch off your mics, children.
Ma'am, I have sent a letter. I have posted.
So let us write the letter addressing the mayor and sending the letter to the local municipal. So the concern is the area around your school is dirty due to garbage. You have noticed it and are worried. Find out who is responsible for keeping the area around your school clean. Write a letter from your class reporting your findings and suggestions. Find out to whom the letter should be written and to which office it should be sent. Okay. So the first thing is if we are sending it to the municipal corporation. Now she's saying that you have to write the letter from the class. So where are we sitting?
In class.
Home.
Where are we?
Home. Home.
Surat, right?
Home.
The mayor. So to
The
what is
mayor.
the first thing? Shh. What is the first thing that you will write? Remember the
Ma'am,
format.
our name
Our
and
school
address.
name.
Name and address.
Ma'am,
Name and address.
Ma'am, school name.
Name and address.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
correct. Correct.
School name.
Why school name? Why school name?
Ma'am, because we are writing from our school. That's
Very
why.
good. We are writing from our school, from our class, and the area to which we want to bring it to the notice of the mayor is what? The area around your school, right? The area around your school which is being dumped with garbage. So what will be your address? It will be your name. Okay, your name. For example, it is Vansh Balchandani, Tapti Valley International School, Dandi, Narthan Dandi, Surat. Okay, then what comes?
But ma'am, I have written my address at home. The homework.
Very good. Don't read the
Then
letter
that.
properly. Don't read the letter properly.
But
Your address, if she is saying that you are writing it from your class and the area around your this thing should be what? Explain her. If she says the area around your school is the area which you want to get cleaned, so you're addressing this issue as a representative of your school. Okay, as a representative of your school. So that's why the name and address will be your name and your school address in this letter. And then what will come? Second thing,
Date that which date we
Date,
write the
date.
letter.
date.
Date, ma'am. Date.
So what will be the date? The date on which you will write the letter. The date on which you will write the letter. So if you're writing it today, it will be today's date. Then what comes? Whose address?
No, ma'am.
The
The
receivers.
notice. We have to write notice.
The
The
receiver's address.
receiver's address. The receiver's address. Once we are writing letter, not notice.
Ma'am, but I don't know the receiver address, so I only read to mayor.
What, Vidisha? Have we not done? We did know the other day SMC letter, children, Surat Municipal Corporation. Yes or no? All are sitting blank as if I'm talking in French.
Yes, ma'am.
To the editor, the editor letter, what was it? So the address will be to the mayor. Children, I told you that the address of the receiver is the place where he sits. Vidisha, where will the mayor sit? At your colony gate? Where will the mayor sit?
Ma'am, at the school gate.
Ma'am, at the municipal corporation office.
Thank you, Vihan. And it is clearly mentioned in the question. You have to address this issue to the municipal corporation. So where is the mayor sitting? SMC, Surat Municipal Corporation.
Okay,
So what will be the address?
Ma'am is
To the mayor, Surat Municipal Corporation, Surat. Then
Subject.
Ma'am,
next point
body.
in
We have to
format
write
is
body. What is
wrong.
subject? Subject.
Receiver will
Subject.
get the
Wrong.
letter that date. The receiver's date when he or she will get the letter.
That is above. That is above.
Ma'am, subject.
Dear sir. Where did
Ma'am,
that
can I
go?
say?
Salutation.
Ma'am,
Dear-
dear sir, and then
Salutation.
problem
Yes, ma'am.
we are facing.
Dear sir / madam.
Ma'am, I want to ask
Sir
something.
/
Not
madam.
madam.
Ma'am, I want to
Yes,
ask
Vihan.
something. Ma'am means the ma'am has given the information in the blue words, so we have to write a letter on it.
Ma'am has given you.
No, ma'am, in the PDF, the
Huh?
ma'am has given to the Mayor Municipal Corporation of Bangalore. So, ma'am, that are the informations. So, we have to write a letter on it.
That is a letter. That is
Ma'am,
a letter. That is an example. Ma'am has given that you can write the address like this. But we are going to change it because we are sitting in Surat. We will not.
Ma'am,
Why will you address the letter to the mayor of Bangalore when the garbage is in front of Tapti Valley, Surat? Why? Use common sense, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So it is just an example that she's given you that this is the way you have to write the letter.
ma'am, I left because there was some internet issue.
So what is ma'am supposed to do? Send you my Wi-Fi? My hotspot? So children, when you leave, please join in silently and don't disturb the flow of the class. May I go to washroom? May I go to drink water? You're as good as children studying in LKG and UKG. You're not big. You're as small as them. Hundreds of times I've told that when you go to washroom or toilet or washroom, drinking water, please go silently, keeping your camera on. But you people don't understand. And some people will keep their camera off for lifetime. Dhruv, Meet, Man, Tawassim, Jishna, Jahan, Riva, Riddhi. And then they will say, ma'am, I did not understand the question.
Ma'am, Nura, that is net issue. That's why I have kept it on.
So you're supposed to tell me that, Dhruv.
ma'am,
Meet, Anveer, Man, Tawassim, Riva.
ma'am,
Yes, Rudra, tell me.
Ma'am, I want to tell one thing. Ma'am told everything that I am going to send them one letter. There will be one letter. For example, what was Vivian doing at that time? Ma'am told explain everything. We have to write a letter and everything.
Yes.
She
excuse,
must have
ma'am,
told in French, no? That's why I did not understand. So I'm telling in English with the English class. She must have told in EVS, in science language. I don't know how many letters have we done so far, how many letters have we discussed so far. Still, you people are blank. And these letters are going to go till grade 12 and after that also. But you just don't want to pay attention. So it's okay with me. You will move on to the
Ma'am.
next class next year. I don't have to do anything with you. But utilize your time wisely. That's more important. Yes, Riva.
ma'am, I am in the resort, so I am using hotspot. So can I keep my camera off? Because
Yes.
there is no network there.
Okay, no problem. Tawassim, Kahan, Vivan.
Ma'am, I was just checking the letter, that's why.
Ma'am, I was also.
So what will be the subject of the letter? Kush Kapadia will tell me. What is the subject of the letter?
Yes,
Good
your
morning.
voice is cutting, ma'am.
I am in a village.
Ma'am,
Can I say subject?
What will be the subject of the letter, Kush?
what will be in which Surat Municipal Corporation?
Ma'am, Vivan.
Vivan will keep quiet because Vivan's name has not been called. Kush Kapadia left. I know because he was on some other websites and I can figure out that.
Can I say the
Yes,
subject?
Vivan. Vidisha, please don't interrupt in between. You have a very bad habit. Can I say? Neither you raise your hand, you just simply switch on your mic and start talking. Haven't people raised their hands if they want to say something? Yes, Vivan, tell me. The subject of the letter would
Ma'am?
be what?
Ma'am, the subject of the letter would be that need to clean better cleanliness for any school name like Tapti Valley International School. Need better
Better what?
cleanliness. Better cleanliness.
No, that doesn't draw my attention. Give me a subject that quickly draws the attention of the reader. Yes, Prisha.
Requesting for better cleanliness around our school.
Jishna.
Ma'am,
You don't want him to take care. Shh. You don't want him to take care of the cleanliness. They're already doing that, right? Have you seen every night you see people on the road brooming the roads? Yes. If you go late nights around 11:30, you will see
Yes, ma'am, the
people
bridges.
brooming the roads. Yeah, they are already cleaning the roads. But you want to bring to their notice a specific heap of garbage lying at a particular place. So you want to bring their attention to that place and that issue. So what will be the subject of the letter? They're already doing the cleaning, right? Municipal corporation job is to do cleaning. But there is one area where something is lying. We have to bring it to their notice. So what will be the subject of the letter? Bunch.
In Dandi, garbage. Ma'am, garbage beside schools in Dandi. We can write this.
See, you will get the subject of the letter from the question. Okay? You will get the subject of the letter from the question. Read the question. Heap of garbage. Heap of garbage causing what? Inconvenience, causing diseases. Heap of garbage. Yes, Prisha.
Heap of garbage causing diseases and virus near the playground of Tapti Valley International School.
Playground, you even have a garbage in playground or on the road? What, Prisha? Prisha, garbage is always on the road, not on the playground. Yes, Vidisha.
Requested to clean better around Tapti Valley School area.
Jishna.
Heap of garbage near Tapti Valley School.
Ibrahim.
Yes, ma'am.
Start thinking about the body of the letter. What are you going to write? Yes, Ibrahim.
Worried about the dust around our school.
What?
Worried about the garbage that is surrounded our school.
Correct. Vihan, what is it?
No, ma'am, by mistakenly.
So we have given the subject. Now what? What are we going to write? What are we going to write? First
Ma'am,
thing,
the body.
body is divided into how many parts?
3 parts.
First thing, first thing. Devyosha, what is the first thing that you will write in the letter?
Where do I live?
No. Anvi, what is the first thing that you will write in the letter?
Ma'am, date and day.
Good night. go back to sleep again. Meet, what is the first thing that you'll write?
Ma'am, to whom we are sending to or a topic about.
Dhruv, what are we going to write? Dhruv Patel. Dhruv.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Dhruv, your mic is off and you're talking. Can't hear you, Dhruv. Log off and log in quickly. Yes, Vivan, what is your doubt, Bacha?
Ma'am, in subject, can we write requesting for better cleanliness of the
No.
school?
Of the school? No. Tawassim.
Yes, ma'am. We will write. We, the students of Tapti Valley School, so writing this letter for better cleanness around our school.
So we will not write, we can write I, Tawassim Khan, studying in grade 5 of Tapti Valley International School, would like to bring to your kind notice or would like to bring your or draw your attention towards the heap of garbage lying around my school. If you want, you can give proper location of that garbage. For example, near, say, Prizo Club, near so and so school. So you can write a proper landmark also where that heap of garbage is lying. Then comes what? Why are you worried about that heap of garbage? Why do you want that to be removed? So give the reason. Why do we want to get that removed? Because
It smells. It smells.
it smells bad. Yes, Prisha.
Because
because of its smell, there are many mosquitoes causing diseases.
Yeah, it is. It's become a very good place of breeding of mosquitoes, which are causing dengue cases in our area. We know, no, dengue is spreading right now. So that is one of the gravest cause that it has become a breeding place of mosquitoes. What
Ma'am,
else
corona.
reason can you write? Heap of garbage will cause corona.
Can I say?
Malaria. Ma'am,
Malaria, dengue.
Chikungunya. Chikungunya, malaria,
So we can get
ma'am, cholera,
diseases like this. So now we have mentioned that the heap of garbage is there and I want to get it removed because these are the reasons. Then what will you tell the mayor to do?
Ma'am, I have one more reason.
Yes,
One more
Prisha.
reason. Because of the garbage, because of the mosquitoes, the children are very furious, very scared to go to that area.
Scared to go to that area. They don't play around there because they might get sick.
And they feel weakness.
So how will you end the letter now? So I would like to request you to do what? What are you requesting the mayor to do? I would like to request you to
Clean
Yeah,
the
Vidisha.
garbage.
area.
To clean the area of our school.
No, you cannot tell the mayor to clean the area. He's a mayor.
To municipal.
To get it clean. What will you request him? I would like to bring to you. So I would like to request you to please get that area cleaned by the concerned person. And the most important thing that is in the question, you have to identify who is dumping that garbage there. The garbage is there, but who has kept it there? You have to identify that also. Who is it? Who can it be? Tell me. Who can it be? Huh?
We?
We are not the ones who are doing that. Because if we are aware that we should not do it, then we are not the ones who are doing that. So who can it be? Okay.
Some other children.
Example. There can be a hospital around. So they are dumping all their
other people.
hospital waste there. They
Ma'am,
can
any
be
factory? Ma'am, factory.
as I told, factory. No, school area doesn't have factories. As I told you, there is a club, no, Prizo Club. So the club is dumping all the waste there. It's a possibility. We have to identify the people who are dumping it. So
Yes,
what
ma'am,
will I
and
do?
we
I
have-
would like to
it may be
request
information.
you- I would like to request you to take strict action against them so that they don't dump the garbage there again. That also you have to write. Okay?
Yes,
First
ma'am, we have to
is
write
there.
suggestions also.
Yes,
Suggestions.
you have to write the suggestion. So everything will come in the body of the letter.
I will send the letter. Ma'am, I will send the letter at evening.
You have to upload it in her folder, okay? In her folder. In what ma'am has said.
Ma'am, it can't be infirmary.
Infirmary, waste of the infirmary. Like old syringes, disposable syringes, disposable mask, gloves, then cotton, the dirty cotton.
The glucose bottle.
Yeah, everything. So it's a hospital near the
And the
school,
injection at
which
needle.
is syringe. Yeah, syringe. Right. So all this you can write. I'm just giving an example.
Syrup bottle.
You can write about the club waste. You can write about hospital waste. You can write about that there is another school near your school, right? That name, and they are dumping food waste. Here, food waste. Okay, you have to identify
But
the
ma'am,
reason.
why will the students?
Huh? Why?
Why the other school will throw the garbage? If we only throw the garbage, why will the other school will throw?
They don't have sense. They're not as intelligent.
It's
as
their
some
choice.
people.
It's their choice, not our choice.
But the schools are very far. So how they can come? The schools
What
are very
did I
far.
tell Anant? The letter is not based on facts. Do we have a hospital near our school?
No.
No.
It's an opinion.
Okay. We are just assuming that if I have to write a letter to the mayor, what all could be the reasons that somebody is throwing the dump there, and who all could be the reason for the cause. Okay. There are no facts here. All right, Anand?
Ma'am,
Yes, Vivan. What are you trying to show me?
I wrote
Which I'm
the
not
half.
able to see.
and I wrote
And you
the
wrote all
letter.
wrong. You wrote all wrong. Show me again. One sec. What is the first line you've written? To
To the mayor.
Bye, Vivan. Have a nice day. What is
Ma'am,
happening in this
at first it
line?
will come his address, his name and address first at the first of starting.
I mean, I was doing.
Ma'am, our name and address. Our name and address.
And what? And after reading Van's, no. After reading Van's letter, Deepika ma'am will understand that Catherine ma'am doesn't teach anything in the class. She doesn't teach the right format to the children. Very good, Vivan. Excellent. I've been discussing the letter for the past 35 minutes. And this is what you wrote. I have written. Tear it off. What are the 8 points of letter writing? I mean, I wasted my periods, no, on all this. Very good. I'm so proud of you all. Let me see who's writing what. I'm going to check that folder soon. And all those who have submitted the letters in which you people have not used this format, please unsend it and write the letter again. Any questions on this letter? So we have discussed another formal letter today, right? Another formal letter. Tomorrow, formal.
Today?
Tomorrow. What, Anand?
And today or tomorrow?
Anand, what did I say? I said we have discussed another formal letter today. We did know garbage, heap of garbage, writing a letter to the municipal corporation. Any questions on formal letters now? Just read the question properly and apply all the information given in the letter. In the assessment, a letter or notice can come. So please be prepared with the format. Okay, please be prepared with the format of the letter and the notice. I can give you any one or 5 marks. Any other questions you have tomorrow? Please come prepared with.
Ma'am, I have one question.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, it is written exam or in Google form?
Google form.
So how did we write a letter?
It can have short answer type also, where you have to write
And tomorrow?
sentences. Bye, Vivan. Bye, Vivan. Bye. Tomorrow.
CET.
Bye. When is the test, Vivan?
9:38.
So tomorrow is 30th?
No.
Then why asking tomorrow? You've kept your brain in the fridge today?
Ma'am.
Then for cooling it off? No.
No, ma'am.
Go bring it and fit it. You will need it for the rest of the classes. My class is over. Any other questions, children?
No, ma'am.
Please write your letter.
No, ma'am.
You should know that we've discussed the letter properly in the class.
Bye,
Bye.
bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Bye. Any questions, Divya? Jishna?